one example problem. Pair of straight lines, first year Maths B. 4C, homogenization problem. Homogenization problem. This is the last problem. Very important question in 7 marks. Let us find the lines joining the origin to the points of intersection of the curve 7x square minus 4xy plus 8y square plus 2x minus 4y minus 8 is equal to 0 with the line 3x minus y is equal to 2, and also find angle between them. Here find the lines. Here find the lines joining to the origin to the point of intersection of the curve and the line, and also find the angle between the lines. Here given equation of the curve. Equation of the curve is 7x square minus 4xy plus 8y square plus 2x minus 4y minus 8 is equal to 0. Next one is equation of the straight line. Equation of the straight line is 3x minus y is equal to 2. The line write in the form 3x minus y by 2 is equal to 1. Here this is the curve, this is the line, curve and line intersect capital A and capital B. Here find the lines joining the origin to the points of intersection of the curve and line. First of all, here find the equation of the straight lines OA and OB. Here homogenizing a curve with the help of the line and simplifying the required equation or simplifying equation representing a pair of straight lines OA and OB. So here homogenizing one with the help of 2. One is 7x square minus 4xy plus 8y square plus 2x minus 4y minus 8 equal to 0. 7x square minus 4xy plus 8y square plus 2x into 1 minus 4y into 1 minus 8 into 1 square. 7x square minus 4xy plus 8y square. Always write down x term into 1, y term into 1, constant into 1 square. 1 is equal to substitute 3x minus y by 2 minus 4y into 1. 3x minus y by 2 minus 8 into 1. 3x minus y by 2 whole square is equal to 0. This is the equation represent to a pair of straight lines OA and OB. This is the equation simplifying. First of all, write into last term numerator square and denominator square. 7x square minus 4xy plus 8y square plus 2 get to cancel x into 3x minus y. Here 2 1 2 2 minus 2y into 3x minus y minus 8 into numerator square 3x minus y whole square. 2 square 4 is equal to 0. 4 1 the 4 2 the. So 7x square minus 4xy plus 8y square plus x into 3x 3x square x into y xy 2y into 3x 6xy minus into minus plus 2y into y 2y square minus 2 into a minus b whole square a square 3x whole square 9x square plus b square y square minus 2ab 2 3 are 6 into xy 6xy is equal to 0. 7x square minus 4xy plus 8y square plus 3x square minus xy minus 6xy plus 2y square minus 2 9s are 18x square 2 into y square minus 2y square minus into minus plus 2 6 are 12xy is equal to 0. Right, first of all x square terms 7x square 3x square 10x square 10x square minus 18x square minus 8x square 7 plus 3 10 no 10 minus 18 minus 8x square. Next one is xy minus 4xy minus xy minus 5xy minus 5 minus 6 minus 11xy minus 11xy plus 12xy. So plus 1xy. Next y square terms 2y square get cancelled. Here plus 8y square equal to 0. Multiply with minus 8x square minus xy minus 8y square equal to 0. This is the equation. Represent to A pair of straight lines. Pair of straight lines OA and OB. This is the first part, and also find the angle between them. Equation 8x square minus xy minus 8y square equal to 0. Comparing with ax square plus 2hxy plus by square equal to 0. Here a is equal to 8 and xy coefficient 2h is equal to minus 1, h is equal to minus 1 by 2, b is equal to minus 8. b is equal to minus 8. If theta is the angle between the two lines, then cos theta is equal to mod a plus b by under root of a minus b whole square plus 4h square a plus b minus a whole divided by a minus b minus a minus into minus plus 8 whole square plus 4 into h minus 1 by 2 whole square under root. Minus 8 plus 8 get cancel. Cos theta is equal to 0 by something 0. Cos theta is equal to 0 means cos 90 degrees. So theta is equal to 90 degrees. The angle between the two lines is 90 degrees or pi by 2 radians. This is the angle between the two lines. This is the process. First of all, homogenizing the curve with the help of the line. Always write down line in the form equal to 1. in homogenizing the curve with the help of the line. Write the curve x term into 1, y term into 1, constant term into 1 square. In one place substitute 3x minus y by 2 and simplifying. This is the equation represent to A. This is the equation represent to A pair of straight lines OA and OB. Find also angle between them. Observe here clearly, x square coefficient plus y square coefficient is equal to 0. So, if x square coefficient or y square coefficient, x square coefficient plus y square coefficient, x square coefficient to 8, y square coefficient to minus 8, plus 8 minus 8 equals 0 means two lines are perpendicular. Two lines are perpendicular means the angle between the two lines is 90 degrees. Two lines are 90 degrees. X square coefficient to 8, y square coefficient to minus 8. X square coefficient to plus y square coefficient equal to 0 means two lines are perpendicular. The angle between the two lines is 90 degrees. This is the another method. Here we find the angle between the two lines by using the formula. Cos theta is equal to mod of A plus B by under root of A minus B whole square plus 4h square. Here theta is equal to 90. The angle between the two lines is 90 degrees. This is also very important problem.